Today, I'm reacting to some of the most viral appearance-boosting hacks on TikTok to see if they actually work. Look, some of these have me doing some pretty weird stuff, but the last one, bro, your boy would be out of a career with this last hack. So number 1, use the right fade.
Low fade, mid fade,
Okay.
high fade.
Okay. So many guys don't understand that there's different types of fades. You can't just pull up to a barber and say, yo, can I have a fade? But to make it simple for you, there's really only 3 types of fade. That video went a little bit extra, and you only need one of them depending your face shape.
Low fade.
The first fade, it's a low fade, and this is the best type of fade for those of you that have sharp facial features, like a chiseled jawline or even high cheekbones. Because your face is already sharp, a low fade will add a little bit more softness to your face so there's more balance.
Low fade, mid fade.
Okay. The second is a mid fade. This is for those of you without any sharp features or round features. This will add a bit of definition to your face while the top part prevents it from looking too harsh.
Low fade, mid fade.
Okay.
High fade.
Okay. And third, you have a high fade. This is the best one for guys that have round features or no jawline definition, as this is gonna give your face a more aggressive appearance to make you look more masculine. Now, if you don't know what type of face you have, I'm gonna make it simple. If you can look at your cheekbones and your jawline clearly, you have sharp features. If you can't, you have soft features. And if you can kind of see them, you have a balanced face. All you gotta do is choose the fade that matches your face structure. Bro, at this point, you can walk away just with that one and have a completely changed appearance. But there's still a bunch more tips we have to test out today, including the last one, which, man, I'm telling you, this one almost ended my career, bro. Number 2, no gua sha, no problem. That's genius. Okay, you see those little lines that girl has on her face? Just go on TikTok or Instagram Reels and look for face yoga filter, like you're seeing me do right here. And then you're gonna get those exact lines so you know exactly how to move the spoon. So I got the spoon here and some oil. We're gonna put some oil at the back of the spoon, kind of like you're seeing. I'm gonna mix it around and make sure your face is washed. And then we're gonna move in the same direction as you would a gua sha tool. Oh, that feels good. And if your spoon is cold, I honestly think this is probably better than a gua sha tool because the coldness of the spoon can also help with decreasing inflammation, making your face look more defined. So you can see she's just using light pressure as you go underneath. Then she changes to the back end to do the eyes where you have to be careful. Now, the whole purpose of this is to stimulate the lymphatic system and help drain some of that excess fluid. So if you do it on a daily basis, that's when you're gonna get the defined cheekbones and just look more attractive. This is a 10 out of 10. Number 3, lip massage.
Oris muscle, over time it gets tense and causes your lips to become thinner.
See, a lot of guys don't understand this, but nice lips is extremely attractive and something women want, but you're probably not taking care of it.
What we're gonna do? First, massage and knead through your entire mouth area. Especially get into the sides of your lips.
Okay, that first one's kind of a stretch. These lip massage type of techniques really don't do much other than waste your time.
That mouth area. Third, this is a great exercise to plump your lips. Lock your lips with your fingers and kiss against the resistance. And number 4,
Your boy ain't doing no kissing massages, bro.
blood circulation and plump your lips naturally. And lastly, cover your teeth with your lips and press them against each other.
All right, let's go test this out. I'm playing, bro. You ain't about to see me kissing facing on this video. Look, most of these are a giant waste of time. There are ways that you can make your lips healthier and look fuller, such as exfoliating them or using a good lip balm. Massages, it's all fake science. Number 4, use a Derma Roller to prevent hair loss.
Derma Roller uses needles and is one of the best treatments against hair loss. But
100%. This guy's spitting literal facts. In a study published in the National Library of Medicine, they found that 75% of men that use some kind of Derma Roller on their head saw a substantial increase in hair growth in areas that they were losing it.
here's what most people do wrong. First, you need to choose the correct needle size. The best needle size
Yes.
is between 0.3 and 1.5 millimeters.
Yes.
Never use needles long.
Okay, everyone tells you use a Derma Roller, use a Derma Roller. Nobody tells you that there's different needle sizes, and if you don't get the right one for hair growth, it's not gonna work. You need to buy a Derma Roller that's made for hair growth, because you can use Derma Rollers for other things. This one is from a company called Growplex that specializes in hair growth for men, and this one has 540 titanium medical grade needles that are 0.75 millimeters long. That is the exact length you need for optimal hair growth. Any longer than this, and you're just gonna be damaging your skin and it's gonna be painful, which is not what you're looking for. This is why I like Growplex. So if you guys want a good Derma Roller for hair growth, thicker hair or help with a receding hairline, I'm gonna have GrowPlex linked down below.
Second, to use the Derma Roller. Wet your hair to expose the thinning area.
Yes.
The parting where you want your hair to grow back. Roll the Derma Roller 5.
So most of the times you don't notice where you're losing hair. The best time to see where your hair's thinning is right when you get out the shower. That's why he recommends wetting your hair 100%.
Derma Roller 5 to 7 times horizontally. Lift the roller and do the same 5 to 7 times vertically.
So he's absolutely correct. You want to hit the Derma Roller both vertically and horizontally. However, I recommend 5 to 10 times, and it really depends on how much hair loss. If you have a lot of hair loss, I would do up to 10. So if you want thicker hair, 100% I recommend this. Add a Derma Roller to your grooming routine. As a matter of fact, this one from GrowPlex, 95% of their customers that use the Derma Roller correctly have seen significant hair growth. So if you want hair growth, click the link down below. Number 5.
Today I'm going to show you guys how to find the perfect glasses depending on your face shape.
Let's do this. See, glasses are an amazing accessory and can make anyone look more attractive, but only if you do it right. Most of the times, they look weird.
One, you're going to want to use this TikTok filter to figure out the shape of your face. For example, for me, it's the oval one.
All right, let's see if this works. So I went onto TikTok, I opened the app, and we're gonna see which is my face, right? So we have circular, there's too much space there, oval, my jaw kind of sticks out there. Let's do square. Square kind of seems fit. So triangle. No, I think it's square. So your boy has a square face. All right, my boy did us a favor and put the chart on screen, so let's see. Your boy has a square face. And okay, those are the glasses that work on me. Let's go see if this actually looks good. Number 6, Minoxidil Progress.
Using Minoxidil every day for 1 year, and here is my full experience from doing so.
Bro, no way, I'm excited to see what happens because I did the same thing, except I didn't do it like you think I did.
The first thing I was worried about was the side effects. Luckily, the only side effect I have experienced since starting with Minoxidil is dryness in the areas where I apply it.
He's absolutely right here. I was applying Minoxidil in my beard to make it look thicker, and it worked. The problem was dryness, so today, I made the switch to use a vitamin hair growth formula that's natural from GrowPlex and doesn't have any of the side effects that he's discussing. The reason I did this is because this formula contains biotin, which helps offset the dryness that Minoxidil provides, helping my hair maintain its moisture. I've been using Minoxidil on and off for 8 years. Anytime I want to thicken my hair, you can see them before and afters. It is incredible, and it's the one supplement I always recommend everyone to use. So whether you want thicker beard or fix your receding hairline, GrowPlex is amazing because they go that extra step with their formulation.
It is a quick fix with any sort of moisturizing product. Personally, I have used different hair oils and, of course, shampoo. The most important thing, the results. When I started, my hair was rapidly thinning and was starting.
Damn.
After just 3 months of daily Minoxidil usage, my hair looked
Bro, that is the type of results that I got, so I know this dude ain't lying. Just imagine the confidence boost this man must have received. This guy went from a 3 to a 8 just by thickening his hair using something as simple as Minoxidil. I didn't even know he did it on his beard. Bro, I'm telling you, Minoxidil is the secret formula. It is a literal superpower for us dudes, and if you mix it with the Derma Roller I just showed you, you're gonna 10x your results. And if you need either of these, go check out GrowPlex. What I like about them is that you can click the link down below and take a quick quiz, and they're gonna tell you the exact products you need for your goals. Again, if your hair's falling out, or you want a thicker beard, I'm gonna leave a link down below for GrowPlex so you can start maximizing your hair growth with a special discount. It's gonna make it an absolute steal. Number 7. Keep your clothing white. Man, I own a ton of white shirts and white socks, and I can never keep them white. So I'm excited to test what this guy has to say. Okay, here we have my famous essential shirts, which are coming back, bro. But I always work out with these. And you can see my collar is yellow. Let's see if this works. Here, I got my antibacterial spray. Here we go. All right, okay. Now, just put it in the washer. See if this works. Okay, moment of truth. You better not be lying, bro. See? Not bad, bro. Check that out. Pretty white to me. Separate colors. If your mama didn't teach you how to separate your clothing colors, you're doing it all wrong. Separate your clothes and wash them in separate bundles. That for sure will save your color. Okay, I definitely recommend a Tide pen. It's always a good go-to with anything. Definitely a great tip if you want your clothes to stay white. Now, you're using the right fade for your face shape. You're using a spoon to drain the fluid in your face so you look more defined. You learned how to use a Derma Roller. You learned how to pick the right glasses for your face shape. You now understand how to have better hair. And now, you're gonna keep your clothes looking white forever. Number 8, 3 style hacks for skinny guys. Okay, I'm not a super skinny guy, but I used to be. So I know if these will work or not.
Every skinny guy needs to know. First thing, use white undershirts as an underneath layer. This will not only make you look more stylish, but the white will also make your torso appear thicker.
Agreed. It will draw attention to your body. This is a good one.
Shirts with long sleeves and then roll up the sleeves to create some excess bulk on your forearms. And the last thing,
100%. This is one of my favorite ones. You can do it with sweaters too. It's free, it's fast to use, and it applies with any shirt that has long sleeves.
is to avoid anything with diagonal lines around the neck because it slims your face and your neck. So opt for something.
Yes. Personally, I don't like V-neck shirts, period. They're kind of outdated, but crew necks just help cover up your long neck if you're skinny, which overall makes you look thicker. Number 9, a homemade lip scrub. Wow. Great. I love this. We have a 2-ingredient lip scrub, and this is good because every guy wants better, healthier lips, but you don't want to have to be buying lip balm. You can do this at home, bro. Let's see how it works. All right, so we got some olive oil, put it in the cup. Then we do some sugar, we mix. Oh, I like that. Try it out. The sugar will help remove any dead skin, while the olive oil will help hydrate your skin and give them a nice shine. This is great, bro. I don't know. I'm trying to look at my viewfinder here. My lips look good, bro. They feel hydrated. The olive oil hydrates while the sugar exfoliates. It's amazing. And number 10, the fade comb. Yo, that's way too easy, bro. I don't know. I can start saving you $40 every time you go to the barbershop. Now, originally the plan was to do it on my hair, but I don't want to chop myself up because who's going to shoot the videos? So we're going to try it on my brother. Let's go. All right, so my bro went and cut his hair. He knew this was coming, but this is the fade comb. You ready? Look at the cauliflower here, bro.
That's what happens when you mess with me.
Bro, this guy's not a black belt. I promise you that. All right, here we go. So you're just supposed to line it up, turn on the trimmer, go upwards to fade him. Ah, damn. I mean, it's clipping some of your hair.
I swear, if you are mad,
I didn't do jack crap.
I'll put you in a rear naked choke.
All right. Listen, I'm a gold medal winner, bro. This sucks, and it broke on the way.